Puppy. Let's sing our ABC. Clap your paws and sing with me. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, by my puppy's bed. C is for cat, my puppy's friend. D is for dog, I love to the end. E is for ear, it flops when she plays. F is for fish, she watches for days. G is for grass, where she loves to run. H is for hat, in the bright warm sun. I is for ice, so chilly and cool. J is for jump, after school. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for leaf that flutters by. N is for milk in a bowl on the floor. N is for nest in the tree by the door. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for puppy, my heart's delight. Q is for quilt, cozy and warm. R is for rainbow after the storm. S is for star that twinkles bright. T is for teddy, I hug at night. U is for umbrella, for rainy day fun. V is for violin, songs when day's done. W is for window, to see the view. X is for xylophone, notes bright and true. Y is for yellow, my puppy's ball. Z is for zoo, and I love it all. Great job, puppy. We sang ABC. Now you know your letters 1, 2, 3.